this. Ooh.
Hands off my squishies.
Oh, goodness.
Don't touch them. Don't touch my squishies.
Hey, Nana, come on out here and help.
Oh, my puppets.
Do we leave it on while it charges, Lena?
More remotes down here.
We're done.
What's wrong, Lena?
Turn the light off.
What you got?
Puzzle.
Oh, Lena, in back of the thing?
Yeah. Well, we did this yesterday.
Okay.
Where is it?
Here. You mean this?
I want you to help me.
All right, well, I'm going to put it, let me take this
No,
out.
you watch me build it. You watch me build it.
I'm going to make the tunnel. Tunnel.
I can do it by myself.
Huh?
You have to watch me.
I am going to watch you.
I can do it by myself.
I know you can. We go back to that place. Mimi and Pap, we'll see if we can find you another one like that, okay?
Well, first we need to build this.
All right, you lay them all over. Whispering Pines.
I didn't know we got it there or up at.
Yeah, we got that at Whispering. Got that at Whispering Pines. He was with us, and that's what he wanted.
I got one piece.
Lay them all out. Turn your picture over so you see your picture.
You're doing good. I texted Glenn. Told her that he was doing a little better. Temperature was down.
I feel better.
Good, I'm glad.
the schools are closed.
There's those right here. One tour done.
You're doing good.
One is done.
Yeah. Yeah. That's attractive.
Another one done.
Carlsberg State's closed.
No Allegheny County schools though.
Oh, no, but they said they won't do it till 5 in the morning. They don't think of parents and making arrangements.
But you know where that piece goes, don't you?
Hooray!
Good job. Good job. Good job.
I'm not doing nothing.
You all done?
He's gonna do another one.
We're doing all gotta pee. So what do you want to do? Tear that one apart?
No, I want you to do me.
I want you to do one. No, I want
Why don't you go back and get that wee little puzzle of Winnie the Pooh?
once
You tear it apart and I'll help you.
you want to tear it apart or not?
And
Huh? And you put another one together then, or what, Mikhail? Yeah, I saw that. No.
What?
Look at that. It just comes apart, just shake it. There you go.
Especially as President-elect Trump returns to power. Although the speaker feels some obstacles becoming speaker again.
where's your little bowl? Here. Here's your little bowl, baby.
Oh.
So did the dogs?
Mm-hmm.
This one tastes like watermelon.
Tastes like watermelon.
Watermelon.
Watermelon? Mm. Yeah, we found those over Christmas. That those little, your little blue and white sharkies were still here. Remember that? Remember we went into that big place with all the fruit?
Yeah.
You looked at all the candy, didn't you? Pat told you could find one thing, and that's what you wanted.